Alright guys, so we are on the trail. I'm out of breath because we're kind of on a time crunch. It took us a lot longer to get on trail, and the trail's closed in less than an hour. Well, in about an hour. And we're trying to get to the top, to Callaway Peak. It's the highest point on the mountain. We're trying to get there before the trails close. They close at 4. That's why I'm out of breath. Okay, so there's ice on the trail. That's another thing that we're kind of dealing with here. See, it says right here, return to your vehicle by 4 p.m. It's basically almost 3. I don't know if we're gonna make it. It's 2 miles to the top and then 2 miles back. And then we got ladders to deal with. This is like the closest thing you can get to like a via ferrata, if you know what that is. Because we're gonna be climbing up a cliff with a bunch of ladders and cables and stuff. It gets pretty sketch, and I don't know how the ice is later down the trail. So that's one thing we're gonna have to deal with. You guys will see, it's absolutely amazing. It's my favorite trail I've ever done. And to be honest, it's probably the best trail in the Blue Ridge Mountains, especially in the state of North Carolina. I think it's the best trail that you can hike. It's just so much fun. If you're not scared of heights, it's super sick. Let's just keep on trucking and try to get to the top before we get locked into the freaking park. Already looking really nice out. It's like, I mean, primo conditions for hiking, and the visibility is like 100%. I mean, it's amazing. No humidity. It's a perfect day to be hiking. Dude, look at this, guys. Freaking ice is like yellow. The hell?
My child probably took a whiz.
Dude, why is that? Alright, so we made it to the first little speed bump. This is the first cable, and as you can see, it's covered in ice. So we're gonna have to try to scale this. It's ice. Boom, we made it. All right, so we made it to the first ladder. It's 3:30 and the trail's closed in 30 minutes. I'm trying to make it to the sketchy ladders before we can, you know, call this a full successful adventure. I got my GoPro on, so I don't have to whip this thing out as much, and we're just gonna freaking go for it. All right, let's go down up this ladder. Okay, so first ladder done. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is nice. This is a little cave.
Alright, it's wet as a mother trucker up here.
Alright.
Nice deep shot.
Ooh. We have a lot of like this like rock that's slanted and stuff on this trail, and there's ice on the rock, which kind of sketches me out because last time I went hiking and there was ice on the trail, well, holy crap! Yeah, I busted it pretty bad, and trying not to do that this time, especially once we get into the sketchier sections of the trail. That's the last thing you want to do because it can actually, like, you know, kill you, because we are going to be scaling cliffs and stuff. So yeah, a lot of just steep rocky sections. We're gonna be rushing it and, you know, obviously trying to keep the pace up, but we are gonna be safe, and we're not gonna be, you know, not focusing on our step and stuff. I mean, look at this place. Conifer trees everywhere, moss. It's one of the few places in the Blue Ridge Mountains that you can find conifer forests. Black Mountains, Shining Rock, Wilderness, Roan Mountain, like Roan Highlands, or whatever you want to call it. And not too many other places that I know of that you can find a full-blown conifer forest like this in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I know there's tons in the Appalachian Mountains, but in this part, not too many. But I love it, dude. It's absolutely beautiful up here. Trail's thinning out because it's getting late. There's not too many people. And we're pretty much at the where I wanted to get to, the ladders. I'll show you what we're scaling. Okay. So you see this cliff here. This is a giant cliff. We're gonna be up there. There's a ladder right there. Can't really see it, but we're gonna be on the side of this cliff here soon. Are you ready?
Yep.
Look at these trees. It's so cool because the wind blows in one direction right here and it makes the trees grow like this way. They look like they're getting blown by the wind, but there's no wind. Right here is the start of the ladders. I'm just gonna film this on the GoPro here. All right. I'm fairly certain we're probably gonna have to turn around after this, kid. You kind of have to do some low-class rock climbing a little bit too. This is the ladders. That's the cliff. Man. All right, so ladder 1 is down. There's the parking lot way over there. This is where it gets sketchy. This is a cliff. So if you fell right here, you could definitely tumble off. And I mean, even if you fell down the ladder, I mean, that's 50 feet at least. Super fun though. Super fun. This is a cliff, like a straight, like, it's just a little unsettling, you know? But super cool. Yeah, that's sketch a tad. Amazing view today. See Table Rock, Limbo Gorge. We are definitely late back to the car. I'm sorry, park rangers or whatever. I did not expect it to take this long to get here, but this is a real highlight of this hike if you're trying to go to Grandfather Mountain. I mean, you can't do this anywhere else around here. I think the closest thing is there's a Via Ferrata in West Virginia, which I really want to go do, and I probably will in the future, but absolutely amazing. Beautiful day. Unreal visibility today. I mean, look at that visibility. See for miles. I think this is a perfect place to end off this video. We're just gonna hike back to the car very, very fast and hope we don't get in trouble. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. If you did, you can leave a like, subscribe, do all that jazz, whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Peace out. 4:34. We were half an hour late. It's not that bad, but whoops.